Hi guys and welcome back to Art Shop channel. Okay guys, we're on our final clip of how to finish off and make the paintbrush cow. So without further ado, let's get on with that. Okay, so we've got our board, and there it is there. And what we're going to do is, we're going to build it all up. Now, remember I said I sprayed the project with this Winter and David general purpose high gloss varnish. Now I said I may leave it and not add any more varnish afterwards because I was talking about using this one. Now I've decided I'm not going to use this one because I'm happy because I put 2 or 3 coats on the cow and it all come out really lovely. So I'm going to put it all together and show you where we got to. So there, look at that. It's glistening with the varnish. How fantastic does that look? Can you see that glistening? So I'm happy with that, really happy. So I'm pleased how it's all come out. And I just need to get the feet for you. So there you go. So they are. Look, we've got that going on. How fantastic is that? So let's just arrange it where we think we're going to go with it. That needs to go. That could go up slightly, couldn't it? They could go out like that. Does that look better actually? I had them down like this, but now I've been messing about with it. I'm thinking, oh, no, that looks quite good. Or does it? Or just one out like that, and that like that. And yeah, so basically, all I'm doing is making sure the the cow's in the right position for me. So yes, I'm happy with that. Let's have a look. Okay, so what I'm going to do, without further ado, is actually stick it all on. So I'm going to use the glue gun for this and stick it on. So I'm just going to pop quite a lot of glue there and there, probably a bit there, and then some along there. Okay, and I've got a wispy bit going on, I just need to get rid of that. Because it's quite a lot of glue, it won't set before you've had a chance to put it back down. So there you go. So we're saying roughly about there. Okay, so that's just slightly push it down. But I'm really pleased how this has come out. So there you go. So that's the main part down. So that's all stuck on. And now we've got to decide again what we said before. So I think that. Do you think that or that? Decisions. Now's the time because you can't change it afterwards. Bum, bum, bum. I'm going to go with that. And I notice this one's like going over like that. It naturally wants to go like that, but I want it. Actually, I might let it do that. So I'll just put a bit of glue there. Okay. And let that set as it wants to naturally there. And this one, I always like this bit because it's everything's, you put all this effort in and then right at the very end you get all this going on. And it looks marvellous, absolutely marvellous. Okay, so that one go in like that, didn't I? And this one, the last one, going down, we said, didn't we? Like so. So, there you go. We've got it all set up and done and dusted. So, there you go, guys. One completed, amazing paintbrush cow. I hope you're pleased with it as much as I am. I'm really pleased how it's come out. And, that can go on the wall or whatever you want to do with it. And, yeah, it's going to be, going to be around for a few years now. So, yeah, so I'm really happy. Look how it glistens in the light. And, yeah, all good stuff. So, yeah, that's what we want to see. That's the end product. So, let me know if you make one of these. Send me a picture, and I'd love to see what you come up with, because yours will be slightly different because it's all art at the end of the day, and you will make it your own. So thanks for watching, guys. I really enjoyed showing you this one, and keep like, share, and subscribe. That's the words, on my YouTube channel, and I look forward to seeing you all on the next tutorial. Now I wonder what the next one will be. Time will tell. Bye bye for now. Thanks for watching.